Checking out Adform. Links are below. Adform's a powerful programmatic ad platform built for agencies, advertisers, and brands. Optimize display, video, mobile, and social campaigns all in one place. It's perfect for data-driven advertising, campaign management, and precise audience targeting. Adform's a complete solution from DSP to data management and creative optimization. Run cross-channel campaigns from a single dashboard. Target the right people with the right message using Adform's DMP and first- and third-party data. Real-time bidding optimizes your ad spend for better targeting and higher ROI. Track impressions, clicks, and conversions with powerful reporting and analytics. Make data-backed decisions and adjust campaigns instantly. Easily create and optimize dynamic, personalized ads at scale with Adform's creative tools. It integrates with other analytics tools and ad exchanges for a seamless workflow. Security and privacy are key. Adform's built-in features ensure GDPR and CCPA compliance. Ideal for mid to large enterprises, Adform offers a scalable solution with advanced targeting, automation, and campaign management. Flexible pricing fits any business. Try the demo. Adform's a user-friendly platform to execute high-performing programmatic campaigns. Need a robust, all-in-one ad solution? Check out Adform. More details in the description.